Love the sounds of this creek flowing right here. Pretty peaceful to listen to, in my opinion. It's been raining on and off today. Kind of heavy rain at some point, so the creek is kind of a little bit turned up compared to normal. And flowing a little bit faster. It's a type of video I do not usually make often or very often, of sounds of like the water or like creeks or the sounds of nature. Creeks are part of nature, in my opinion. I think they just sound so peaceful. Take a listen for a little bit. Such a cool view as well. Pretty scenery around me. Yeah, just wanted to show you guys something that I love the sound of, but don't usually post on video a lot.